Hello teacher, my name is Lovepreet Kaur and my student ID is 30371317. Today I am going to explain my presentation on ITSM assignment, and now I am going to start my presentation. I am going to start from the main topic ITSM. What is ITSM? ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. Now I am going to describe what exactly ITSM is. The ITSM, Information Technology Service Management, refers to the designing, creation, delivering, supporting, and managing the life cycles of IT services. Information Technology Service Management is a set of well defined services that is mainly focused on IT infrastructure, processes, components, and business applications. In simple words, we can say that IT service management is the activities that are performed by an organization to design, plan, deliver, operate, and control information technology services offered to the customers. Now I am going to describe about ITIL service management. What is ITIL? ITIL, formerly an acronym for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL was created in 1980s by the UK government Central Computer and Telecommunications Agency. Version 2 of ITIL was released in 2001. Moreover, in 2007, version 3 of ITIL was published. It is basically an implementation and management of quality IT services. It associates in meeting the needs of the business. It is performed by an appropriate mix of people, process, and information technology. Now I am going to describe about the main objectives of the IT service management. The first main objective of the IT service management is to provide improvement in managing the quality, cost effective, and increase the productivity. The second main objective of the IT service management is to align the resources with integration of the new technologies. The third main objective of the IT service management is to contribute in developing the economy by competing in the business market and develop an innovative business process. Now, I am going to describe about the Queensland Health ITIL project. Queensland Health is the largest state agency in Queensland for providing healthcare facilities and better health to all the communities in the state. It is highly complex and widely distributed organization with the staff of 50,000 employees. In 2004, the company established IT operation, bringing five separate IT operations together so that there is a decentralized structure with the level of IT and operation service. After the implementation, the Queensland Government commissioned the Queensland Health System Review to determine the problems that QH was experiencing and identify the range of reforms. The transformation program was established aiming to move towards new service oriented organizational structure and new mode of operation in terms of governance and development of IT services. The transformation of program was established so that there is a surety of less risk while implementing a new system. As ITIL was new establishment in the organization, the main focus of the vendors and consultants were engaged during the early stage of ITIL project. Now I am going to describe about the appliance of IT service management. The ITIL has five stages: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and service improvement. Now I am going to explain each stage in depth. The first is service strategy. The service strategy is the planning stage in the which how the service are to be modified for delivering the effective service. At this stage, proper planning about the strategy that has to develop and leverage the capabilities of the technology and business process and provide guidance on how to design and develop the system for implementing it in the company with efficient and cost effective. The second one is service design. The service design outlines the planning and building the service architectures across premise cloud and hybrid infrastructures. In this stage, design of the scalable and cost effective services taking infrastructures, application and service management technologies into consideration for managing the service. The third one is service transition. There is a need for core IT service support management so that there can be effective workflow and effective means of moving services into operation. There is an implementation of automation of work, changes, releases the flows to effectively deploy these services into production. The fourth one is service operation. In this stage, there is an effective management of workflow daily, the assuring the availability and performance of business services and infrastructure. The implementation of services employ monitoring and automation to improve the reliability of services and ensuring that there is a sufficient amount of capacity and resilience built in the services to manage the operating services. The fifth one is service improvement. At this stage, a review of implementing the services is checked while providing the solution to the problems. The main focus is on the full service life cycle and understanding the fields which can be improved for the successful implementation of the IT service management. Now I am going to describe about the breakthroughs and challenges. The company underwent major challenges at the beginning of the ITIL project, although the senior management was very strong. But there was a lack in commitment of the managers. The project was also conducted on the business as usual basis, which did not attain the full focus of the employees during the implementation. The initial decision of integrating ITSM with the quality management system process obscures the focus of the project and it needs to be abandoned. To conclude all, we can say that the effective management guidance and execution of the project resulted in an efficient and cost effective outcome for the organization. There is a development in the IT service management industry so that business can be aligned and the application of services can develop the company towards cremation in productivity. At the last, I mentioned the references of the material which I used. Thank you.